coordinate intelligent mechanical jobs straight away.
Put on the camouflage tactical outer gear, and the functional style is instantly amped up. Exclusive tags can be customized. Watch me complete the surveillance mission. Load the water beads, fire.
I can perform an inverted mode for you. Sacrifice remake. Learning Kung Fu and strength your body.
I can do all these moves in programming mode.
Execute all commands.
Pair it with the exclusive APP to carry out commands. Put on the leash, and I'll instantly turn into an affectionate cute pet.